We are heading up the coast to Cambria for a couple of days. It will be interesting to look back on this in the future because we are in the midst of the coronavirus crisis situation. So I actually debated canceling this trip, but the things that we're going to be doing are not going to involve being around other people for the most part, mainly outdoor activities. So we're heading up anyways, but it remains to be seen this trip is going to be like. Anyways, we're about to hit the road and here we go. So this is our fantastic AirBNB up here in Cambria. We've been very happy with this place. We have these wonderful windows that look out on the beautiful neighborhood. We have a really cozy fireplace, which has kept the place nice and warm. We also have a wonderful comfy couch, which we have enjoyed. And in the kitchen, pretty much everything we need. Really fancy stove. And we made dinner on it the other night. And coffee maker, toaster, dishwasher, you know, pretty much everything you need. Really high quality knives too. We find that often the knives are very poor in a lot of these Airbnbs. So Phil was really happy with the knives here. Then we have a great table, gigantic TV. Now we're gonna go upstairs. And very modern bathroom, and this bedroom, which was very comfortable, and tons of closet storage space. Ta-da! So anyways, I highly recommend this place. We really enjoyed our time here. That's it. It's okay. One thing I'm concerned about during this whole coronavirus situation is not being able to go to the gym, not getting exercise. So I have ventured into town. It's about a 30-minute walk. What I didn't realize when I looked up the walk on my app was that it was going to involve a bit of hiking and stair climbing, but hey, it's all good. Anyways, I'm going down the stairs now. It'll be interesting to see how I deal with going up the stairs. I kind of have wonky knees, but again, I need the exercise, and it's such a pretty walk. I'll try and get a little shot of the staircase behind me, and I'll shoot a little bit more on the way back up. It's a lot of stairs. All good. Okay, so these are the stairs that you take to get back up. Yeah, it is a hearty hike back home.